Hi, Ashley here, founder of Oake and Ashe. In this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble BEKA's adjustable tapestry loom, the Grizzly. And what's included in the box is 8 screws, 16 sets of bolts, washers, and wing nuts, 6 positioning blocks, 4 uprights. These are the long side pieces, 2 beams, a top and a bottom beam with the beam teeth, 2 feet, 2 pickup sticks, and 2 different size stick shuttles. To begin assembling the loom, because of the size, it might be a good idea to have a partner to help you. So step 1 is to screw the beam into the position piece. So there are 6 total of these positioning blocks, and 4 of the 6 will get screwed onto the top and bottom beams, and each side it will look just like this with the 2 screws in, and so you'll do this 4 times. The next step, if you're setting it up in its shortest version, you will just use one of the side uprights and you'll just line it up with the holes on the side. Each side you will add 2 bolts and 2 wing nuts, and there's a washer in between the wing nut and the wood. You make those nice and tight. So on the bottom you want to leave 2 holes open and available to put the foot on. So on the top you want to make sure that the lip, that bump on the teeth, is facing up and the flat edge is down the bottom beam, and so it's flat on top, and then the lip is facing down. You'll add the feet, prop this up. Will be helpful to just line up the holes and just put both of the bolts in so that you can just rest it on the floor. Put the washers on and the wing nuts. So this is the Grizzly loom in the short version, just using one side upright on each side. And this is great if you want to put it on a tabletop. You don't have the room to set up the tall version. You can just do the half version and then set it on a table or sit on the floor in front of it. So then to do it a taller version, you will add the second set of side uprights. You will add 2 bolts on each side, connecting the uprights. The next step is to take your 2 remaining positioning blocks, and you'll have to add them to the inside because you adding the second set of side beams. Hold it in place, and then I can add that top beam back on. You'll add 1 washer and 1 wing nut to each bolt. And then you'll just want to make sure that all of these are nice and tight. This is the Grizzly loom assembled, and the great thing about this loom is its adjustability. It can go as small as a 16-inch length all the way up to a 64-inch length. And anywhere in between there, you can adjust it into 3-inch increments.